Hi guys, welcome back to the program here. Today we had a little shootout here going with the Vette versus the family cruiser, 56 Cadillac. Got a 472 out of a 74 hearse. It's warmed over a little bit. Just, you know, we got a 3/4 cam, bumped the timing up a little bit. I run the good gas when they got it at the pump, but 700R4 transmission to a 74 12-bolt half-ton rear with a 354 gear. Got the limited slip differential in her. Yeah, I've had the car since about 2003. Bought her out in Cheyenne, Wyoming. I was living out there for a while, and it's got the front suspension's been changed with that 74 hearse I bought for a parts car, and did that. And then we got air over leaf in the back, otherwise debadged, got her nosed and decked, and it's kind of a mild custom. Built her out of a 4-door platform there for the family, so does what it needs to do. Got enough under the hood to keep up with modern traffic, essentially. So yeah, I think that about does it on that. We're gonna hand you over to Eli here, and he's gonna tell you about his little red racer.
Here's my 84 Corvette Crossfire, nicknamed the Ceasefire. I picked this up in Austin, Minnesota, about 50 miles away or something, and came out of Wisconsin. Somebody's done shift kit and some sort of unknown motor work. It's got posi rear.
It's got 3/4 cam.
Three-quarter cam, bump timing, sure. Got ball tires. Somebody else had some fun with it before I did, but I was really itching to see what was faster and have an excuse to go buy new tires, because it's lame to just take them off when they're still intact. Yeah, I've had this about 6 months, and I've just gotten it back running about a month or two ago, so it's going to be a fun project. It's my senior project. Going to be repainting it, making it nice, and it might be available on the market soon if you're interested. So.
Sorry everybody at home, this cameraman's a little bit of an amateur.